Ciao, baby! Did you confirm with him seats in that car? Does it have race seats already? This young man brings a 550 to us that has an engine problem. We diagnose it, and sure enough, rod bearings have failed, so he needs a new motor. I thought he had the car for a long time. Then we find out he just bought the car like 2 months ago from an unscrupulous dealer. The sad part is there was a ton of stuff on the motor that was broken, about to fail. I mean, it was a disaster. He has a warranty company that's paying for some of it. The amount of money they'll pay, we could either get him a used motor with like 100,000 miles, or we could get him a brand new motor from BMW. Funny thing is, we would make more money on the used motor. That's not the right thing for the client. So what do? We get a brand new motor from BMW with a 2-year warranty for him. This is so much fun. I love driving forklifts. Actually, the off-camber doesn't work out. I feel like a job as a forklift driver. Love it, love it, love it. Oops. That didn't sound good. I'm going up with that. Love it. I have no idea.
That's so funny.
It ended well.
You know when you get a kid a really nice toy?
Yes.
And he's so excited, you're so excited to give him the toy, and all they care about is the box? That's Mo and the forklift. The only reason I was here is for this.
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. Juan. The forklift was fun, I had a good time with that, but that motor was just a thing of beauty. I gotta tell you, that is pretty. You should definitely
I know, that's why I got the
like, yeah, absolutely. There is nothing as hot and sexy as a fresh motor. You could tell the aluminum was like fresh. It just makes me giddy. Story ends well though. We put a fresh motor with a bunch of fresh new components. I think he's coming next week for an oil change. Loves the car. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you? I'm in the forklift. If you haven't driven a forklift, you gotta drive a forklift. They are so much fun. Yeah. Watch yourself, Juan. You're good. It is a blast. Every person in America should drive a forklift at least once in their life. They are so much fun, especially doing the 0 turn radius, whatever. I love this thing. It's so brilliant. Careful, Maya. Coming down. Well, maybe I should go backwards. What do you think? That's a good point. It makes me nervous having this big ass engine on the front of it. Tell me where else. I can't see anything in front of me. Ha-ha! Love the 0 turn rate. I gotta buy me a forklift. I need a forklift. I need a forklift. The M5 was another quest. This M5 has lived life at a couple other shops to figure out what was wrong with the car. When the client first came to us, he said, Mo, I think it needs a new motor. That's what everybody tells me. I looked at it and I said, no, it does not need a new motor. It's an electronic bug. I have a gut feeling the car's telling me there's an electronic, something's wrong with it. It doesn't feel like a motor to me. Some time to figure it out. We realized the electrical issue was caused by some work another shop did. We corrected that issue, And lo and behold, no check engine light. I test the car for a couple days, no check engine light. All the readiness monitors are good, which means we can go through inspection.
The old car.
Picture today of his car with an inspection sticker. You know how happy that man will be? It will make his life.
It's warmer right here than it is out there.
So that's really in a little bit. Okay. That's fine. I don't want you guys freezing, but yeah, if it's cold, make it a little warmer, please. I want them to be comfortable, not too comfortable though. One of the things the client really wanted was an inspection sticker. That will make my day going for inspection of this car, you know that?
It'll make mine too.
It'll make Gene's day too.
Yes, it will. Because the car, of course, won't pass inspection if it's got check engine light. So I went myself to DMV. Here we go.
You're adorable. So adorable. Aren't they cute? Finally, hopefully the end of a quest, getting Gene's car inspected. This M5's been such a challenge. I am finally taking her to DMV. Here we go. Hopefully I got this angle correct. I'm not even sure anymore. At the DMV, I'm pulling in and it looks like it's quiet here. Let me go behind. Looks like an X1 maybe? Yep, it's an X1. I'm going right behind it. Check it out. Anyway, high hopes for the E39 M5 passing inspection. Super excited. Looks like we are the next car to get inspected. I gotta walk on that side. I forgot. Yep. E39 is going through inspection. Let's see what happens. I'm feeling pretty hopeful about this. And you can see the E39 is just down the way a bit. Just driving over. All right, look at that. Ka-chow, baby. Ka-chow. Ka-chow. I'm sitting in a newly inspected E39 M5. Time to leave DMV. A happy guy. And I'm gonna make Gene even happier because he is gonna be super pumped, baby. All right, nice and slow. Don't wanna hit anybody. DMV. Pulling out. Ooh, that sounds terrible. Gene needs new wipers. Note to self. Hey. After a bunch of research and testing, Team OffCamber did it again. All right, I'm on 46. Oh, just gonna shift it with the other hand while I hold the GoPro. Going back to shop from the DMV. I think he was giving up hope on this lovely car. Never give up. Coming down Woodland. All right, here we are. And as they say, ka-chow, baby. Look at that inspection sticker. Ka-chow, baby! The E39 passed inspection. Yes!
All right, now call Gene.
Here. I'm so excited. What?
Now call Gene. That's why I'm waiting for you, because now I want you to call Gene.
Okay, let's go. You're funny.
You're out of breath. That's how excited you are.
I am.
I missed this all last week.
Dude, you have no idea how pumped I am right now.
Hello.
Hey, Gene, it's Mo.
How you doing?
I am awesome. Ask me why.
I'm afraid to guess.
No, you shouldn't be afraid. Say it. Come on, Gene, say it. What does your car have on it right now? That's shiny and new.
Ka-chow.
Shiny and new?
Yes. Come on. What have you wanted ever since the car's been here? What's been your single wish on this car?
No more codes?
That's right. And one more thing.
An inspection?
Ka-chow, baby! It has a shiny inspection sticker.
Oh, beautiful.
I just took the car through inspection.
That's good news.
I know. I'm more excited than you are, Gene. Come on. He's not super excited. Like, really, Gene?
I know the client's gonna be super, super thrilled.
I want you to have a big smile on your face today.
Alright.
I understand why he's not excited, because he's had this level before to say, car is good, and then what happens? check engine light. I am super ultra confident this time. There's no check engine light. I was more excited than he was about his car.
Plus, like I said, that's how much I like you. I took the car to inspection myself. I don't do that for people normally. See, now I got a smile from him. Now I got a smile, thank God.
So I told him, drive the car, because he just picked it up a couple days ago. Call me when you think you've done enough miles and there's still no check engine light. That's when I want laughter and excitement from you. Not this BS of like, oh, that's nice.
That will put the nail on the coffin.
Okay. I would say wings on the angel, but that's fine. You want to say nail on the coffin, that's fine.
Holy shit.
All right, thanks.
Gene, have a lovely day.
Yeah, as well.
Keep smiling.
Huh?
Bye. He's a funny guy.
There's a Pakistani dish called Nihari. Now, I am not a cook, so I'm gonna give you my vague impression of what it is. It's basically steak that's been cooked and cooked and cooked in spices to the point where it like falls apart. Super soft, super spicy, yummo. And my wife makes it like, amazingly. Dave likes spices, so one day I had to say, hey Dave, you should try some of this.
Take a piece of bread.
Okay, like that? Like that?
Enough for your mouth.
Okay.
Like maybe a little less than that, but okay,
Oh,
fine.
I got a big mouth.
That's
You
fine.
can hear me in the shop. I'm coming over for dinner.
You're welcome to whenever you want.
God, that's really good.
You gotta get a bunch of the sauce. I mean, I like the sauce with the meat, you know? That's me.
It's exciting for me and you know, I felt good about having him try something new. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of the OffCamber Life. We look forward to bringing you many, many more adventures. If you haven't subscribed, get your butt in gear, click that subscribe button. As I like to say, enjoy the drive.
Somebody find me a preacher so I can buy the rights